Maddie, Carter, look at, what is this?
I never went there.
I think that says your name on it.
Why? No.
What is that? I never saw that.
What is that? Whoa.
It's a letter.
Read it.
It says, let's go on an Easter egg scavenger hunt in the park. Read the clues along the way to find some new toys you'll use for play. Happy hunting, signed E.B. What is
That must be from the Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny?
Is the Easter Bunny at the park?
You think the Easter Bunny's at the park?
Yeah.
Should we go and see?
Yeah. Papa, we found a note.
Okay, let's go. Load up in the car. Let's go to the park.
Hi, welcome to our playhouse. Today we're going on an Easter Bunny hunt.
Here is our first clue from the Easter Bunny. Water flows under me, people walk over me. What am I?
A bridge!
Maddie says it's a bridge. Let's go.
Found it! Yeah, there's the first thing. Let's open it. We found it. Let's open it. Whoa!
Wow, we got a mini Monster Jam truck. And what else is in there? Is there something else in that egg? Another clue. Clue number 2 says, hitting balls is what I'm here for. I'm gated and you need to use the door. What am I?
How?
Maddie says it's the tennis courts. Let's go.
I got it. Hey!
What did you get this time?
I got this.
Wow. El Toro Loco. Is there something else in that egg? I don't know. Check under that purple. Another note. Let's go read it. You can find me in a place with sand. X marks the spot. Is at the park with sand?
I know.
There it is?
Up there!
What is it called? What's the place with
Sand pit!
sand? We made it to the volleyball court.
Yeah.
Remember it said what?
X the mark.
X marks the spot. So we need to hunt for an X. What about going this way? Let's go look.
Let's go.
There's an X. And what's by that X?
What? What?
Wow. Good finding.
So hard. Can you open it up?
Scoops help you? Can you get it open? What is it?
Yes.
Another mini Monster Jam. We'll read our next clue soon, but first it's time for a play break. Here's our next clue. People use me for lunch. They often gather here in a bunch. What am I? We figured out it was the picnic table area. Do you see an egg hiding over here? Carter spots an orange one. I wonder what's in this one. I can't wait to see.
Whoa.
What's in that one?
Megalodon.
It is Hot Wheels Tiger Shark. Here, Maddie, can you bring me it? Okay, ready to listen?
Yeah.
You kick a black and white ball to me. If you score, you make a goal. What am I?
A ball.
What kind of ball is black and
Soccer
white?
ball.
A soccer ball. So where do they play soccer at this park? Over at the soccer fields. Should we go check it out over there? Okay, let's head that way. Okay, here's the soccer fields. There's a goal. Do you see anything down there? You see one? Where? They spotted another egg. A blue one this time. I wonder what could be in this egg. Let's go find out. Oh, wow. It doesn't look like anything was in the egg. Something was hiding behind the egg. What is it? It's Monster Jam Dueling Dragons play set. Oh, so fun. All right, let's check out all the things we found from the Easter Bunny. So hold on, we'll open those in a second, Maddie. Let's look. We got El Toro Loco, Hot Wheels Tiger Shark, Dueling Dragons, and 2 of the mini Monster Jams.
I think I opened
You want to
it.
open those up and see what's in them? Which ones you got?
This one. Now I have this
Give
one.
one to Carter. What one's in there, Maddie?
Wow! Little dump truck.
Wow.
What's in yours?
All right, let's see what's in that one, Carter.
Unicorn. That's a unicorn.
Unicorn. Let's see it, Maddie.
Sparkle Smash.
Wow, cute. Those are awesome. Thank you.
What? I got a ramp even.
Wow.
Instead of a quest car.
El Toro Loco.
Yeah, I got a quest car.
Cool. What do one did you get? What are you opening up? Oh, a tiger shark. Hot Wheels tiger shark. There he is. Let's see him. We got a green crushed car. Should we take these home and set up our dueling dragon and play with them all? What do you think? Okay, let's pack it all up and head home. We are back home now, and we brought our dueling dragons out. We have the dragon monster truck, and we are going to see how this works. Let's check it out.
He all trumped it. Oh, that's cool. He went way.
Who do you have? El Toro Loco?
He ate the water.
Carter and I are going to play with some of our new monster trucks in this obstacle course that we set up. Let's watch as Sparkle Smash takes a trip around the course.